How to turn on dark mode on iPhone. To get started, go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down and tap on Display and Brightness. This page allows you to adjust the screen brightness, switch between light and dark appearance, enable True Tone, and configure other display-related settings. Here, go to the Appearance section at the top. As you can see, your phone is now in light mode. If you want to change it to dark mode, then tap on the dark option. You have now successfully changed your phone to dark mode. Go back to view all the pages on your phone in dark mode. This way, you get more control over your experience with the device. Following these steps, you can easily turn on dark mode on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.